What's up, everyone?
What's up?
It's Saturday. We're doing some errands, running around. Gotta do a return for Lex.
Yep.
Food run.
Yep.
For us.
Yeah.
So we'll take you through, just show you what we're getting.
Yeah.
Trying to get yoked. Hit these fitness goals, you know what I'm saying?
You just look bad today.
No, you look hot. You're so cute. What are we wearing here?
So we're both wearing unlabeled sweatshirts and
oop.
sweatpants.
Yep. Looking good, baby.
Uggs.
Uggs.
For the thugs.
Uggs for the thugs.
And then you're wearing the black version.
Black version.
See it.
Large.
Yep.
Hugging the legs a little bit.
Yep. So cute. Look at us. Matching. I mean,
Looking
who
tough.
are we?
Feeling tough. But yeah, we'll take you guys out with us.
Yes.
Show you what's cracking. We got a couple things to do. See you there.
See you there.
Supreme. Made it to Melrose. Going to the store. We can't bring you in, but what are you returning?
I'm gonna try to exchange this really cute shirt from House of TV, but I don't know. I hope they're not gonna be like, we don't do exchanges.
We'll see how that goes.
This will be interesting.
So that didn't go as we thought.
No. They just act so entitled.
So if you guys didn't know, this is Lexi when somebody tells her no.
Well, yeah, but I'm starting to not be nice anymore. Like, even at the restaurant I went to last night, they were just like rude, and I was like not standing for it anymore. I'm hangry.
Hangry.
So things are really going downhill
Let's get some food,
from here.
dude.
Whenever I'm having a temper tantrum,
Anyways.
I'm not happy.
Temper tantrum Lex. We're heading to Target.
I'm also like mad because this is a small. I'm like, why can't I just fit into a small? You know?
Seriously.
First world problems. Girl problems. You guys get it. We're back. I'm in a better mood. Went to Target. I'll show you guys what we got. This is for Rob. Blueberries and cream. We always get oat milk. We started getting these, which are really good. Rob, you guys want it? I do. It's so good. Mine. I like to have a parfait. This is really good with strawberries and honey and light Cool Whip. It's gonna change your parfait game. It's not even bad for you at all. I got a couple of these because I haven't really been eating breakfast or lunch. I like struggle to eat those because it stresses me out and I never know what I want. I want something easy. So I got these. We got some Banza pasta. We love this. It's high in protein. It's made from chickpeas. So good. We eat this like once a week. Chicken, plant-based patties. We always have like some sort of veggie burger option here for lunch. Not like we're vegetarians or anything, but I feel like if we can avoid meat, we do. Plant power. We got something for Brody. Oh, we have treats for you. You guys have to see him. He looks so cute right now. Brody, we have a treat for you. You want it? In case you didn't know.
Dude, why is he so hard on the camera?
Spin. Good boy. High five. Good boy. Okay, ready? Up. Kisses. Thank you. Ah, yes, I taught him those tricks. I should be a cat trainer. A little treat. I never get these, but I don't know. Sometimes I want a little chocolate. Rob got these for all those bodybuilding people out there. Rice Krispie treat pre-workout. Carb up.
Before the workout.
You heard it here for if you guys, if your boyfriends want muscles like this, Rice Krispie treats. Also, look at my nails. They're glue-ons. They're from Wishbone Nails. And so cute. I'll put all this away and then I have to get ready and we have to leave in like an hour. We're going to a rooftop with our friends. We'll bring you guys along for the sunset. Ready to go. Sitting in traffic, of course. Welcome to LA, where the speed limit is 55, but you go 6. Makeup, poppin'. Jeans are unbuttoned right now. Are your jeans unbuttoned?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. We've never been before. It's actually new.
What's it called again?
It's Cara Cara at the Downtown Proper Hotel. I'm excited. I'm excited to get a drink. Still on the way. I feel like we've been in the car forever. We had energy. Like, traffic just like sucks the energy out of you. I just shared out my story, like, every girl with blue eyes in the sunlight, you literally can't even keep your eyes open. Hey guys, we're just out with the beautiful Kayla. Look at her outfit. Oh my god. Wow.
Sponsor me.
Sponsored. Mm-hmm.
A receipt.
Oh my god. Okay. And your bag?
Yes. Nearly married. It's a little sideways.
Fix it now.
Yes.
Wow. Hold on, let me focus. Beautiful. Yeah, our shoes are cute tonight.
Yeah.
We're at the Cara Cara rooftop.
Downtown LA.
Downtown LA. Nice toilet paper there. These are outfits.
Yeah.
They're cute.
We're just 2 drinks in.
2 drinks in.
More coming soon.
Yes. And the guys are out there doing
Bromance.
Bromance.
Guy stuff.
We're gonna catch them off guard. Let's see your outfits, guys. Wow. Uh-huh.
You got the ring on.
Oh.
Yeah, we dropped.
We're all going out somewhere. We'll keep you guys posted. We're vlogging. We're vlogging. Let's go.
We're doing live.
We're doing it live. Live with Kelly and Ryan.
Like really good noodles and really good broth and like with meat. Like it'd be like.
But I'm just like a little bit scared because Rob has really high restrictions that he'll just be like, this is trash. I'm just like, maybe back. We're not friends anymore. Fuck out. You'll follow me.
Alright, next time it rains in California, we'll all go get around, okay?
Oh my god.
It doesn't have to rain.
That doesn't need to rain for soup.
I don't know how to do this, but it's like leap year. It does not rain.
It didn't do that. It literally did the opposite.
That did not happen.
Hey, Rob's in an angry mood.
I'm
No,
hangry,
he's
not angry.
But also people today are driving like lunatics. The Super Bowl is happening this weekend. And personally, I just think like the crazy people are gonna be out. And I think a lot of people are here visiting.
It's just a little bit crazy.
Yeah, we're headed to Melrose because we have to go back to House of CB. Unfortunately, you guys know how that went last time. It was not the best of times. I wish this would just stay.
I know, we need to get Velcro.
I know. See, like, what are people doing? I mean, there's no driving rules in LA apparently. Anyways, I came to the conclusion that I just have to return the shirts because I waited too long. Anybody else wait like really, really long to return stuff? Like, I'm on day 26, they only have 28 days. I looked online to try to exchange it and they're sold out. So they don't even have it, it's not even exchangeable. I tried to see if I could make it work, like if I lost 10 pounds, would this size fit? Rob was like, nah girl. They are really tiny though. Long story short, we're going to return them. So sad because they're so cute. And I got them on sale, whatever. I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk. Okay, everybody. We did it.
Poppin' was poppin'.
Oh, damn it.
Camera down, camera down. Oh, sick car.
So we did it. We got in, there's like a girl in the front letting people in because we waited online to get in. It's fucking VIP club we're trying to get into or something. And I'm like, hey, would I be able to get something else at the store with my return? Like, just exchange it. And she was like, well, I mean, I think you should be able to, but once you get up to the front and ask them checking you out, then they should know, and it might depend on the item. And I'm like, what the fuck kind of answer is this? Nobody can give me a clear answer? And I didn't even feel like dealing with it. And then the guy that we dealt with last time was there working, and he was eyeing us up, and he was like, yeah, I know those people.
But that's over with. That's a W for the day.
We're just driving now on Melrose. It's so busy. I think we should not stay on Melrose unless we want to make this the world's longest car ride ever. So cute. Looking beefy. You're looking so beefy.
Tee. I'm wearing a beefy tee.
Oh my god.
You did that on purpose.
Yeah. No, I can't see that far.
You totally did that on purpose.
I'm wearing a unlabeled tank and the sweatshirt I just got from Misguided, which is like extremely large. We're hangry.
Hangry, tired.
Yeah. We should just call this like the House of CV vlog.
Seriously.
Because I feel like last time we left, I was really hangry. I didn't even want to vlog.
Turned on that street.
Yeah, you should have turned on that street. No more illegal turns.
Why?
Because
I can make it.
Look at this. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
There's no way I'm fucking waiting in that traffic.
That's a movie we're going to see. Marry me. Marry me, Rob. Oh, also, like, House of CB is right across the street from Jean Dosset, which is like my dream ring. It's just always been my dream ring since I was like 15.
Wow.
81 degrees outside and it's 5:30 at night. Summer.
Lit.
Gotta get our summer bodies. Okay, we're back and I got a bunch of shit from Amazon. Just like random stuff that I ordered that I think would be interesting. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. I had 6 packages. I technically had 7 packages. I had a lot of packages tonight. First up, I ordered these leggings. Uh-oh, I got a small. I heard to size down. Hopefully they fit. I'm sure they will. But apparently these are supposed to be amazing. They're supposed to be a great dupe and they're supposed to stay up when you're working out. So hopefully, I already know what these are. The viral slippers. Ah, they're so cute. I got purple. I wasn't sure what color to get. They only come in half sizes, so I got a 7.5. Hopefully they fit. Let's see. Perfect fit. They're so cute. You like them?
No.
No?
They're fine.
They're cute. They're gonna make, when I put them on, I'm gonna be smiley. This one I'm very excited about. I got edible glitter because I want to keep making cocktails on my, on here, on Instagram, on TikTok, and people really seem to like when I make cocktails. And not to toot my own horn, but I do make some bomb-ass cocktails. So I just thought edible glitter would like up my cocktail game so much, and I just thought it was so fun. So I got those. I got Valentine's sprinkles because I'm gonna make either a cookie skillet or almond butter cookies, and I just wanted to add some sprinkles. I got a really cool package from this brand, Dandy Del Mar. They're from California, and they just have like such a cool vibe. I didn't even know about them until they emailed me, so really excited. I'm a little bit nervous though. They didn't have a size chart on their website, like anywhere, and the reviews were really mixed. Like some people said that they ordered their true size. Some people said that they ordered like 2 sizes bigger because it was so small. So I don't know. This will be interesting. Oh, I love a good PR package. I do. So cute. Oh my god, they have a drink in here. Drink recipe. for you. So like they're very like lifestyle company. So they want you to make this drink while you're wearing their clothes. Okay, let me show you guys what I picked. Oh, they put 2 magnets. Oh my god. They're so cute. But they're so cute. I love them. Like I said, really hoping that these fit. But I don't know. They're gonna fit. Manifest it. Oh yeah. Oh my god, so cute. The little mini dress, and their material is like terry cloth materials. It's supposed to be very like beachy. It's just my weekday at the beach, having cocktails with friends, you know. That's the vibe of the brand. And then I ordered this. This is a romper. Oh, thank God I got a medium. So cute! I don't know if you guys can tell the material, but it's like that. Terry cloth material. Wow, I'm so excited. I hope you guys liked this haul. This was like exciting things that I got, so figured I would share, but we're gonna go make dinner. Now that I have this mess I have to clean up. And we're doing tonight, Rob is doing these gorillas. Gorillas. The macros are sick on it.
Macros are sick. Yeah.
Alright guys, I have to read it to you guys. They have, for one burger, 130 calories, 5 grams of fat, 8 carbs, and 16 protein.
Let's go.
And then we're doing sweet potato fries, and then I got these. I've never tried them, but I like a chicken patty, and the Morningstar chicken patties, the macros really aren't that great on them. But these only had 10 carbs, so
You
like
have any veggies, baby?
no, the Morningstar chicken ones have like 23 carbs. Just having like dinner, whatever we have here for tonight.
Wait, who put the stickers on the thing?
They're not stickers, they're magnets. You can do whatever you want with them. Alright guys.
Okay.
Ciao for now. This will actually be the end of this vlog.
No, we'll show you the food.
Okay.
No, we don't have to show you
Nah.
food. Okay.
Alright, this is the end of our vlog. Hope you
vlog.
enjoyed. We'll definitely vlog this weekend because we're doing some fun shiznit.